What is up, guys? We are back. Another video, another banger. Today, new bike day for the DH for the year. We got this bad boy. She looks good. The paint job. Here I bought 3M roll. If you guys want to know which one it is, I'll drop it in the description. But this joint is gonna go on there. All right, boys, back again. It is now like 3 days later. So I started wrapping the frame, and then we got halfway through, and I realized I only got enough tape for the front triangle, so whole rear still got it wrapped. I picked up a fresh roll right here. This is stuff again. She's wrapped. Fully wrapped. Kind of see my pieces through there. I got her down the whole seat tube, all these arms. Just put that on now. And now I gotta swap stuff over. What's up, guys? Little break here. That was probably the most boring time lapse of all time, but I got all the cables routed through the entire frame. I had to get the foam tubes in here because I went internal again. Not like it's easy. I'm just gonna chuck the fork and headset together. BB wheel. Guys, we are back. It's the next day. We pulled a late one last night. I was up to 1:30 building this thing, but oh baby, take a look. She's almost fully built. I don't have a BB tool to swap over, so I gotta get the BB and then I can get all that in. But I got the rest of her built up. She's just about good to go. Bike is finished. Look at the rig. Oh baby. She looks better outside, but she is shining. Got the mullet on there. I got the coil. I have rode it already. The coil doesn't feel a lot different, so I'll probably end up putting the Vivid back on, but no chains on there. All the goods. I checked the plate back on. Why not? Yeah, Steed's looking steedy. Anyways, throw some Ryan clips in. Thank you guys for watching either way, and I hope you enjoy this next little bit. All right, lads, we out here in the woods. We're getting after it. Might be a little slick today, but I think it's dried out by now. Woo.